Hey everyone, Lauren here from Coaching to Fulfill Dreams with another What's Up With You Wednesday. And today I am on location from the beautiful Jefferson Hotel in Richmond, Virginia, celebrating my 25th wedding anniversary. And what's interesting about that is when my husband and I first met, we moved very quickly to start building our life together. We only knew each other about 2.5 months before we purchased the land that we currently have our home on. And the reason why I thought that would be something to share with you all is because as you go through your life, you make decisions on a daily basis. And to know when something is right for you in spite of what other people might think is really key in building that happy, healthy, fulfilling life. So building those skills, trusting your head, trusting your heart, trusting your gut, in spite of the skepticism, is a skill that is really going to serve you throughout your life. So today on this What's Up With You Wednesday, what's that thing that you really believe in, that you know is really right for you, but you're just getting some pushback? Try to just see that you're the one that is the, important. You make the decisions for yourself, right? It's important that you trust your own decisions, regardless of what others may feel or fear or think about what you're doing. So trust yourself. Trust your head, trust your heart, and do what's best for you.